either a document or whatever, because according to the judge, the facts indicate that the police officer is still in the Ghana Police Service, so he has admitted them to into the hands of the Ghana Police Service to produce them whenever the court needs him, so that he can come and stand for trial. So basically, that is what transpired in court today.
From the side, are you satisfied?
Well, the court has some discretionary powers in the grant of bail. So no matter what the law says, the court has the power to grant bail. What I was not happy was the fact that the Attorney General's office failed to oppose to the bail application filed by a lawyer for the police inspector. I think that they should have opposed to the motion, but they didn't do that.
Please, you are full.
Sarfo Duku, Director of Communications for Kotoko'S. And today I was in court as the lawyer watching brief for the complainant. The complainant in this case is George Adongo, who is one of the security guards for Kotoko'S. I'm also watching brief for Kotoko'S. That is an interested party in this case. Thank you. In principle, they also agreed to his bail application. So the court exercises discretion in favor of A2 in the first case, that is the police prosecutor Bia. Now, let's come to the second case, which has 6 persons as accused person, with the 5th accused person, Brahma, also known as Brahma Rasta, at large. That is, he has run away. Now, we realize that when the matter first came to court, the second and first accused persons were denied bail, but the 3rd and 4th accused person, being the ladies, were granted bail. Now today, their lawyers repeated their application for bail, including the 6th accused person. Unfortunately for them, the court refused the grant of bail for the 3 persons, that is A1, A2, and A6, in respect of the second case. Now all the accused persons have been refused bail. The court has directed that their lawyers will come formally, that is, to file an application for bail, and serve a copy of the application to the Attorney General's office 5 days, 5 clear days before the next court date, that is the 3rd of March. So in respect of the second case, because there are some accused persons who are still in custody, the law says that we cannot go beyond 2 weeks. So we fixed that for the 3rd of March. Now, in respect of the first case, that is, which has the 3 accused persons, we took 3 weeks or so. So the matter has been adjourned to the 10th of March, because all the 3 accused persons are now on bail. Now, let me also state that the court has reviewed his orders, the orders he made in respect of the first case. You realize that Honorable Bafowa and the other person who were granted bail were made to report themselves to the Ghana Police Service on daily basis. Now the court has reviewed it to once in every week. Then the order, which also stated that they couldn't go outside the Sunyani without the permission of the court, has also been reviewed. Now they can go outside Sunyani without the court's permission. However, the other order, which compelled them to deposit their passports at the registry of the court, is still in force. And then don't also forget that the second accused person who was granted bail today has also been asked to deposit his passport at the registrar's office within 7 days, because he indicated that his passport is in Accra. Within 3 days. Yes. Thank you. But he indicated that his passport is in Accra. So basically, that is what transpired. Finally, his bail condition was that he should have 2 persons to stand as sureties for him in the sum of 300,000 cedis without any justification. Without any justification means that the sureties must not show any evidence of the 300,000, either a document or whatever, because according to the judge, the facts indicate that the police officer is still in the Ghana Police Service. So I came in as a lawyer watching brief for the complainant, George Adongo, and then representing Kotoko'S as an interested party. Now, the two cases were called. There are two cases before the court, two separate cases, with two separate charge sheets. Now, the first charge sheet, which involves the Honorable Bafowa, we have 3 accused persons. When the matter first came to court, 2 of them were granted bail, and then the police bodyguard to the Honorable Bafowa was refused bail. Now, today the court has granted the police inspector bail in respect of the first case, which has the 3 accused persons. Now, the lawyer had filed a motion on notice, and the court found out that the Attorney General's office and the prosecutor in this case have all been served. Unfortunately, there was no response from neither the office of the Attorney General nor the police prosecutor, even though there was evidence to the fact that the process had duly been served on them. I was surprised that the AG's office did not oppose to the motion, or common sense did not challenge the lawyer's application for bail. Now, in the lawyer's application, he attached a copy of the second case, the charge sheet of the second case. Now, with the second case, 6 persons have been charged. Now, when the matter was first called, only 4 of them appeared in court. 2 of them were at large. But today, the 6th accused person appeared in court. According to his lawyer, he went to the regional police headquarters on Thursday. He, the lawyer, willingly sent him to the regional police headquarters. And then today too, he has come to the court willingly. Now it means that one person is still at large. He's called Brahma, which the police per their facts state that he actually stabbed the deceased person to death. In fact, according to the police, I'm talking from their facts, which is now a public document, all the accused persons have admitted to the fact that it was that guy called Brahma, who is now at large, did stab Pooley to death. Now, so the lawyer attached a copy of the second case to his application for the bail, indicating that in the second case, the police have now indicated in their facts that it is the Brahma who actually stabbed the deceased person. So now the lawyer is saying that if now the police have found the one who actually stabbed the accused person to death, then it means that it was not the police bodyguard to the former honorable minister who did the killing. Therefore, there is every ground that for him that the court should grant the accused person bail. And then his second point was that because the Attorney General's office has not filed any affidavit in opposition, it means that in principle, police in the Ghana police service name mono so and find the passport metro registry within 3 days. Chance was saying the passport no good incline. Na court bail odi card ma eye Yoruba fo one no akọ kan ho. Na she be kan ho say da bia mo fo mo nko kire apolice for da bia. Is court so mo disamra no so ntino wa yen sakraye. Afi do mo nya da kuru bia e wona hotwe mu. Afi o sa de tabo to wo mo so say omuntimi ntu omutumfiri sunyane mbatemo nko ba bia abra omunya tumi mfiri court eno so court say ombetimi akọ abra omunya tumi bia na embom omo passport no de enko so na register office na eye second case ya eda court animu aye nipa nsia no so no omo lawyer eye A1 and A2 na no court anfa bail amon lawyer sa SRS nka omo bail any nipa otosun sia na ene eso no ade no ba no court Sarfo no mensa de omo bail a enye yi nti a lawyer for no emfa nko gu krata so no mo nko save aba lawyer for na omo mfa mesia ni wo court nti e de sa didi ka no nipa mensa no de e de share on the 10th because obiya ni ho oda ba akoko de basa itimeje ifri na otwemi no kwesi bosom e de na otwemi mensa na mom de ya mom bail nti no second case na nipa nsia no de se emrem no du obi da ba akoko mu a ntimi enkomro na otwemi no emfa ne ma court ene de court man watch me no no so yeah on the 10th third match in the third match and 10th match and you besa about court na many ani kakra say bail application a lawyer for edible to court anymore na almost sama police inspector no in the first case no about lawyer for the several woman na omo ameya no say omo ametiam say bail no ko omo penso bi aka court beti omo say but omo ametiam nti court so omo ametiam dia che say mo about lawyer for mo na sem yo mo dia nti court agina so amane bail nti e besa beto aso on the 3rd and 10th match ndamas so asem bi wo ha ndamas e be chia mo nyina na maka se ene de course wo court no court efre ensem no mienu a efa instructor incident nyo nyina sese ensem na kwaye mienu yedi kan no ye chi nipa mensa a mo nyina mo nim se de onabo ba fo wa ene the police bodyguard na another person e da efre no mo baka ye a ye manipa mienu bail na police inspector na de court amane bail sada no ene ye ba ye no the lawyer now I file application for bail. As application no, in crata say na edibia koma abai lawyer for attorney general of Ewusunya ya. Nse e ba se ekoye emrasem sa de a. E abai lawyer for na senka, omune lawyer for no de besi ani. Nti o kire se okoseve obi. Unfortunately, abai lawyer for ma court. Omo so omo informa no masem ma bia se de lawyer ne kan. Omutiam. Nti e ba sa no court say sabala for no omo asem ni omo dia no. Omo anfa mo ayi bi amase omo tiam dia ne ono court no obema na bail etosum yenu lawyer no file an application no so o de inkrata even charge sheet na second case no ayi ni pensia no a police for charge ni pensia ono ye second case no o de sakrata ni bi attach the motion no kire say uhwe second case a police for na ye tie ni pensia no a omo kire say fe de omo hu nipa omo ati nipa omo kun no ade ne din kura ba se friend Brahma. In the second case, on the Tosunum, Samuel no Cassa, no dear, but no one can run. A bread decaya, called to share, no any pension, a million and 9 penny buy. Tinano by the court to my Emumian bill, a Obano, a man, 3rd and 4th accused persons. But first and second accused person here, Southern court number bill. Now, 5th and 6th accused persons in the now almost a don't work a run. And nearby, no, the 6th accused person, no, on one and one bar. Lawyer Cratches, only the police headquarters, none of your water. And then was had number. And the lawyer can say, who share assemble for a police for the 20 pension so now. And no more dear. Almost as say, Nippers must see a friend Brahma. I would done a young one on the coon fully. Said one of this kind of one. Nippa ya two now, no more some police for so much or police station. San woman in our air can say, a Brahma on the coon. The lawyer say, said the Dicano, Mohamed Kunudin, say, actually, more you must have say. The person must in the corner there. Any lawyer no ma police inspector no bail. Na e chese no kunu. Even though in some charge na dia to so no enye no nko abatement kan wo chese mo bo ma yekumo bi. Eno so eno de da ho. According to chese lawyer chese the kum no na ntia ma court na ma ne bail. Ini ze hu de kunu dia na court ma ne bail. In the court gina na ma so. Say aba lawyer for am for mo no ma metia bail application no. Afreso no approach for no asa yin move for the nipa nsia bi dia ba omo se ba ko ne kono dia ne court na ma ne bail na sika court de to ne tri so ye 300,000 cedis nipa mienu na emesan ne mu sa nipa mienu no de omo mfa bibie enkyere se